Hi guys, today I will compare the Fenix 6 Pro. Guess what? Surprise, surprise. With Whoop Strap 3. I received the Whoop Strap 3 days ago. I ordered it like on the 19th of June. It took around 10 days for me to receive it. And I was always hearing about this stuff from some podcasts and some, promotions and stuff. And I wanted to give it a try. Before this, I used the Vivo Smart 3, I used Fenix 5, and now I'm using Fenix 6 Pro as my regular watch. I just, as I said, wanted to try out what the Whoop looks like. So the thing about Whoop is it doesn't show you the time, it doesn't show you how many steps you took throughout the day, it doesn't have a screen. This is just some black stuff. It's a subscription-based, like watch as a service model in which the minimum commitment is for 6 months. You pay 25 euros per month and you are basically promising the guys to pay 150 euros plus shipping. You are giving them your data. You can just sync with your phone and the app will analyze your data and tell you 3 things. It will tell you about your sleep, it will tell you about your recovery, and it will tell you what they call strain, which is the effort you exerted throughout the day. So the strain is a value of from 0 to 21. The watch tells you, based on your sleep and recovery, what effort you should spend in terms like saying, okay, you slept well yesterday, you had some good recovery around 90%, now you can just go and exert strain value above 14 throughout this day. Okay, so what stands out on Whoop in my 3 days of experience is you don't have any buttons on this, so you can't just like start and stop your activity and stuff. If you go past a certain heart rate, the watch tells you that, okay, I think you did something, and here's the data, here's when you started, here's when you stopped. Do you want me to save this or process this now, or what do you want me to do? That's what it tells you. Based on that, it shows you, it shows you your maximum heart rate, your average heart rate, and everything. Do I like the subscription model? Well, not so much. Why? Because you're spending at least 150 euros, or if you're in States, you're spending the dollar amount. And in return, what are you getting? Just analysis. You're getting a device which makes no sense if you do not have the subscription. So you just can't look at the, what time is it? You don't know. But if you have a cheap watch, a cheap smartwatch, it will tell you the time, it will show you the notifications, and it will give you some basic heart rate monitoring and stuff. Anyway, the activity tracking or the activity monitoring. When I did the workouts, I logged it with my Garmin watch and it automatically got recorded with the Whoop strap. My Garmin watch recorded 15.53 minutes. It recorded a total of 203 calories, 158 beats per minute of heart rate, and 168 beats per minute of maximum heart rate. The Whoop strap logged 27 minutes of activity, 280 calories burned, 140 BPM average heart rate, and 167 BPM of maximum heart rate. So the maximums are okay. They seem to be accurate when you compare them with the Garmin with the chest strap and the Whoop. But I actually did 7 workouts and it took me around 2 hours to get done with the gym. So the activity that I expected the Whoop strap to log was for, I don't know, maybe 120 minutes or 117 minutes. But still, at the end of the day, the total calories spent were roughly equal. So based on the watches or based on the activity trackers that are tracking from the wrist, it's not bad. In the second day, when I woke up, the Garmin recorded 597 calories burned starting from midnight. The Whoop strap recorded 590, 7 calories of difference. Not bad, considering both are now recording the activity from the wrist. In the middle of the day, the Garmin recorded 1,520 calories. The Whoop recorded 1,499 calories, 21 calorie difference, not bad. And at the end of the day, there was like a 50 calorie difference after the workout. So it was more or less accurate. What I like about the Whoop so far, no buttons, nothing. You just wear it on and you just go out and do whatever you want. It just records everything by itself. You don't have to do anything else. You can tell this device to broadcast the heart rate, which is not bad if you have a Concept 2 rover or if you have some runner or whatever. You just can, broadcast the data to see it on the screen. And apart from that, this is all I have in the past 2-3 days. So now I will keep on wearing this and I will update you with my experiences. And I think I will have some recovery data and sleep data because it's still calibrating itself. And I will see how things will differ after like a week or so of usage. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, you know what to do. If you like what you saw, I guess you know what to do. Subscribe, like, tell your friends about it. Ask me questions if you have anything. And have a nice evening.